Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements: a 5G-capable phone with current firmware, an Airtel 5G SIM, and an active 5G plan. Once done, power off, insert the SIM into the primary slot, then power on. Make sure mobile data is enabled immediately because the network will only register while data is active. Also allow a minute for the SIM to register with Airtel after boot. This avoids jumping steps and prevents false troubleshooting when nothing yet appears. Next, go into your phone's mobile network settings and choose the automatic 5G/4G/3G network mode so the device can pick 5G when available. Once there, check for carrier settings updates and install them. These often include 5G toggles. Open the Airtel Thanks app to confirm your 5G plan is active and that provisioning completed. If automatic selection fails, try manual network selection and pick your local Airtel 5G cell. Then restart. Finally, verify you show a 5G icon and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If you still don't see 5G, restart the phone and, if needed, toggle airplane mode on and off to force a fresh network attach. Also verify you are in a 5G coverage area. Indoor signal can be weak. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, note your IMEI and SIM number. Then contact Airtel support so they can check provisioning and network side activation for your line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.